so in other videos, I've gone over elbow and wrist things that you might be feeling from the rowing machine and some things on the rowing machine that you can do that might help alleviate some of these symptoms and might be part of the cause. So in this video, I want to show you 2 exercises that you can do off of the rowing machine that are scientifically proven, at least the first one is, that they've done research on and can be beneficial for tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis. So if you're getting some discomfort out here on the side, there's something called the Tyler twist. You need these little things. It's called a TheraBand flexbar. Comes in different colors. I recommend starting with one of the easier ones. This one's kind of easier / middle ground. But if you are having a lot of discomfort, I recommend you start with the easier ones. The research for this is to do 3 sets of 15 of these. I recommend starting with, even if you can do 15, as long as it's not aggravating your symptoms, that's awesome. If you can do more than that, fantastic. But depending on if you are a little bit more chronic and you've had this pain for a long time versus somebody who is new having it, I recommend doing it a little bit differently. So just paying attention to your elbow, your wrist, and seeing how it's feeling. So first we're gonna go over the first one, which is Tyler twist, which has research articles that are done for this exercise. And what you're gonna do is, so tennis elbow is pain on this outside here. Golfer's elbow is the next one, or medial epicondylitis is pain here. So if I take my palm, I put it face up, inside or the outside. So tennis elbow is when it's on the outside. So what you're gonna do is take the band, or take this TheraBar, and hold it in your hand like this. Then what we're gonna do is, and this is my injured, involved hand. Then what I'm gonna do is take my other hand, palm is away from me, and I'm gonna grab onto this bar. Next, what I'm gonna do is twist like I'm flexing, I'm bending my wrist. I'm gonna bend my wrist and twist, and then I'm gonna straighten both arms. So what it looks like from the side is I'm like this, I come here, grab, twist, and then straighten. So once I'm here, I'm just gonna gently, my good arm is gonna stay where it is, and my right arm, my injured arm is gonna gradually undo it. You might feel a stretch through here, and that's completely fine. So again, let me show you what it looks like from the side. Grab it, palm away from me, twist, straighten, and then this involved arm is gonna do all the work while this one is staying nice and neutral. So that's called the Tyler twist. Do about 15 of them, see how you feel, and if you wanna do 2 more sets, 1 or 2 more sets. Then for that inside medial epicondylitis or golfer's elbow, there's the reverse Tyler twist. Now there isn't research based on this, so take it as you will. It's more based on that tennis elbow, but the reverse one, what you're gonna do is grab this. So grab this in your hand with your palm up. Then what you're gonna do is take your other hand, you're gonna go elbow up to grab the bar. Then you're gonna rotate it around, so now almost both of my palms are facing up. Then I do that straighten again, and then I'm gonna let it unwind so it goes into extension. So that is what you're gonna do for that one. Let me show you what it looks like again. So you're gonna grab it here, come up and grab, my palm is facing away from me, twist, straighten, and then go. So again, you might feel that stretch, it's perfectly fine. So that is the Tyler twist and the reverse Tyler twist. I will put a link for this thing in the comments below. Let me know if you've got any questions. But this is one exercise you can do for tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. And in another video, I'll go over some other things that you can do off of the rowing machine if you're getting some of that discomfort, and ways to prevent it as well.
Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I put new things out weekly so you can get new information. You can also join the Keep Rowing Longer Facebook group where you can ask your questions and get your questions answered quickly. So if you're interested in that, I'd love to see you there. There's a link in that description below, and I hope to see you there and chat soon.